Hello guys, we are Aimed Marketing, and in this video we will oversee the work process of a SEO project that we have completed for a client here in the UK. So just a quick brief about the project. The project we completed is for a company called London Trends. The main keyword they chose was clothing supplier in Watford, and this is the keyword that they would want to be ranked high on Google for. So as you can see here, we're just going on to Google. This was done on March the 2nd. So we just type in clothing supplier in Watford. As you can see, we rank 5th on first page of Google. If we type in suppliers, as you can see, we are ranking 8th position, still on the first page of Google. Now here we will see on the 14th, if we do exactly the same thing, so clothing supplier in Watford. So you'll see that we're ranking 3rd. Now guys, I would like you to pay close attention. As you will see here on the 14th of March, now at 12:51, if we do exactly the same thing, you'll see that now we're ranking 4th. So you need to be aware and take into consideration that fluctuations do happen on search engines, and this is why people don't guarantee first or any type of position on search engines. Now moving on to 19th of March, we'll do exactly the same thing. And now you'll see that we're still ranking 3rd. Moving on to 20th of March. We're still ranking 3rd. However, if you come onto Google Chrome, we were using Safari before. If we type exactly the same thing, you'll see that we're actually ranking 2nd. So sometimes the web browsers can make a difference too. Now moving on to 3rd of May. You'll see that finally we have accomplished our project and we are now ranking 1st. We can even move on to another browser, which is Google Chrome. As you can see, we are ranking 1st on Google Chrome as well. As you guys are aware that the company just wanted to rank for clothing supplier in Watford, here you will see that we're going to type in clothing suppliers in Watford. You'll see that we will get exactly the same result. We are still ranking 1st for this keyword also. As you can see, we typed in clothing manufacturers in Watford. And you'll see that we are ranking 2nd. Which is a bonus for the client, as this means if one keyword doesn't get the client traffic or leads, then there will be other keywords in place to achieve the same results. Thank you for watching guys. If you think your business could benefit from search engine optimization, then please visit www.aimedmarketing.com.